This is about extracting links in bulk from a group of pages. If you're interested in this kind of thing, I hope you'll find this useful. So let me just quickly go through the process. So let's say we have this URL, and we can use the import XML function to say from this XML import a. This is the tag, and we want the href attribute to be extracted. And what happens is that it extracts all the links this way. Okay, so apparently we have 256 links from this URL. You can easily double click here and map from to. But this is, it's going to take a lot of time if for every page you're going to do this. And I'm more interested in doing this in bulk. So what I want is a bunch of URLs here where each one has from to mapped, as you probably familiar. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a tiny modification here. Sorry, and I'm going to just run this and convert it to a row. Okay, same thing. Just don't put the URLs on top of one another, put them next to one another. Okay? So the same thing happened here. You have the URLs on the sides. Okay? So let's get another URL. This one, let's say, and we can do the same thing, copy and paste. And now we have this. Okay? So the challenge now is how to do the mapping where this can be repeated multiple times, as many as URLs here, and put them together. And this is what the explode function is doing from advertools. And let me show you quickly what I mean. So let's assume we have URL 1, URL 2, and URL 3. And here we have link A, link B, and here we have link C, and here we have link D, link E, and link F. Okay, so we can simply say adv explode, and we take this whole rectangle, this whole range of data, and this is what it does for us. So it repeats URL 1 2 times, URL 2 1 time, and URL 3 times, and handles the missing values for us. Okay, so the same thing here. Let me show you what happens with the URLs. So I'm going to say this is equals to explode these ranges of data. And now I have the mapping as required. Okay, so here's the first URL with the links, and the second URL with its links. Okay, so let's do this now in bulk. And let me just remove these. Okay. So let me just get all the links from this sitemap. advertools also has a sitemap URLs function, which gets me all the sitemaps in one go. So here's 89, and I'm going to just do this again to row import XML from this a/href, and yes, autofill. And now it's gonna do the process of requesting those links gradually from every URL. Okay, so we have 89 rows here, and we have up to KY, I think. Okay, so the range is from A1 to KY 89, right? Let me see what's going on here. Could not fetch. Okay, in some cases you don't have in case you have some errors. Okay, so now I'm going to use the explode function. Explode sheet 1, this range. And there you go. So here are the pan-seared chicken with harissa dates and citrus and all the links belonging to that. And here are the links to under citrus skillet shrimp with shallots and jalapenos. And this is a bit slow because we have 21,908, and we can check some of the errors here, but generally it works fine. So yeah, this is how you can extract all the links and have them mapped with 2-3 simple steps. And you can easily copy this sheet and utilize it any way you want. Thank you very much.